Planes and Planes reports. As you'll notice, I still have my model airport going, but there are quite a few less planes now, as I've been selling them for a little while. I've been wanting to do a little update on that for everybody. So basically I'm selling all of these models that you see here, and I know what you're thinking, like, wow, he's selling his terminal, that must be like really expensive. And I guess it is, because it is a rare model. The starting bid is $3,000, then I'll determine the length of the bidding, $3,000 Canadian. I'll determine the length of the bidding once I get 2 bids on it, and then the highest bidder will be able to pay and walk away with this beautiful model. All the planes are sold separately. You can either email me or check out sales.tpreports on Instagram for all of their prices, and then you can also DM me if you want to purchase. All of the purchases will be happening through PayPal. Nobody's going to meet me. Nobody's going to pay me with their credit card or with their debit card. I'm not using eBay. I started eBay, and then I thought, wow, this kind of sucks. They're taking a lot of my money, so I went back to PayPal. And if you have friends who want one of these models, or you think you see something that you want, just send me an email or DM me on Instagram at sales.tpreports, and we'll get you going. I also have this Gemini 200 model, and all these HO scale trains here, and stuff, as well as like this bus, and there's all the boxes for the planes. So yeah, I'm underway in the selling process. So and the money goes towards my flight school too. So I guess you're really helping me out if you buy one of these models, and I like to help you out by selling you a good rare model like this 777 Air Canada, the Air China, Rouge, Air France, 747, etc., etc., at a good price for a rare model. I'm getting a lot of comments saying, wow, your prices are really expensive, but if you also had these models, you'd be selling them for a lot more than I am. I know that for a fact, because I look on eBay and I can see this terminal, for example, go for over 7,500 euro, and I think, wow, I could sell this for a lot less and still make a lot of money. But anyway, that's off topic for what this video is. This video is a review of this final model that I've gotten. It's a Gemini 200, and it's just for my keeping. Don't worry, it won't be for sale. But I'm gonna keep it, and hopefully keep it until I die, and think, wow, I remember when the 787 came out. I remember that the first time I flew that was on Air Canada 73 to Vancouver on July 7th of 2016. So let's open the box up, and you get this information card. That's pretty cool. I think that's really neat. All the facts and stuff. And then you can also look inside and see it's pretty big. Like, it's my hand. It only goes about halfway. So I guess we'll open the box now. Little flap under here keeps the model pretty protected. here. And very protective in terms of the foam and the plastic cover. So we'll remove that, and it looks like the wind that I created blew out these little plastic things. So let's see what's in the box here. So we can see our model. Packed pretty tightly. It's something I like to see. Not too tightly or you'll break it as you take it out of the box. Has some good weight to it. It's a very detailed model, but I'll get into the detail in the next segment. Let's just keep continuing to take stuff out of the box here. Nice wooden chrome stand. I like that a lot. It's pretty cool with the GeminiJets logo on the bottom of it. Here it looks like we have little landing gear or little landing gear cover positions. If you want gear up on the stand, I guess that's pretty cool. And this is the landing gear. That's pretty neat. Alright, let's move the box out of the way and get into the review. So here we have it up on the stand, just so that we can see around it a little bit easier. They did a really good job with this braked wingtip. Even the paint is spectacular there. It's very realistic. There's the fuel dump nozzle. That's also very realistic. Very nice with the flaps, and even by writing no step, it adds a lot of detail on it. The windows are very good size, very well done. Very correct, I guess is what they are. They did a good job with the paint, a little bit shiny and light. You can see very red Air Canada logo on the blue background of the 787. The Star Alliance logo. Air Canada is a member of the Star Alliance group. And the flight deck windows, cockpit windows, and nose cone here are very well done, as well as this flight deck door. That's pretty cool. I think the engines, they might spin. I'll check up on that soon. And it looks like there is a landing light. Very well done. Nice beacon light up there. And it's clear instead of red. That's very good. Back here is the tail. Very realistic. The registration is CFNOE. This was the first 787-9 that Air Canada received. Now, underneath the plane, it's very well done in terms of gear door detail and stuff like that. And I really like this wood stand here. It looks very nice. So I guess we'll put the landing gear on next and see what that looks like. And then maybe I'll be able to spin the engines for you as well. So here's our landing gear, and I guess we'll put them in to the, how do I turn that around? We'll put that into the plane here. Just have to find that. Oh, it's magnetic. It sticks right in. That's pretty good. Now, landing gear on the other side. Find that position. There we go. And landing gear on this side. Stuck into position, I think. Oh, no, not quite. Whoa. Put it in on the wrong side. There we go. Looks pretty good. Oops. And you can angle the landing gear up to show that it's taking off. Very nice. Good job by GeminiJets on that one. So overall, it's a very good model. I really like it. And I'm glad that this is my last model. Because it's very cool. Now let's see. Oh yeah, the engines do spin. Very nice. It's a good model, and I also hope that you purchase one of my many 1-400 models, one or more, because it would benefit me and you. Most of them are in spectacular detail. As an example, this Air China 747, barely used. I just took it out of the box and never touched it again. So it's a very nice model. And also, I think that I might be out of complimentary ground service. Oh no, I don't. I have these two left. So the next 2 people who order models from me will receive this complimentary ground accessory. Either this aircrew bus or this heavy tug with no tow bar, for absolutely no charge whatsoever. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.